are script. Okay, let's see. There are many videos show you options. You will have to go to R script. You have to install the R program. If you don't know how to get, you click the link, right? And you actually downloaded the uh, here, and actually install it this way, right? All right, so okay, after that, you need to download data set. That in the video, the data set is called, some of the video is called research data set for R. Uh, like MC card thing. So, yeah. Okay, I believe you can get it from instant elements, right? Yeah, I love this one. And right, let's see. No, the where did I get it? Yeah, this is the one actually. One download each. I will. Uh, it's usually somewhere here, but I don't be able to download. Actually, I downloaded it. I'll give it to, post it into the GitHub for you, right? So let me try some more time. In that is, let me just search data that didn't get that. So, will be, fine. Okay, here. Okay, so you have it here. Right? Okay, so you need to key in your username password. But I already done that, right? So I did put it here. I should put it here. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So I have all these. So I actually can come over. Let me just save this guy. Save it again. And go to this browse and go to the and then copy. Let me send that's another one for VINTR 76 there. Right, and I'm going to say get data and let's say move and I'll say dollar Okay. Okay, the argument they connect and I do the same thing as another video. This is data, empty time. Now say okay. Okay, it's loading. Okay, it's popping up. I choose this the data set and I just want to load it. Okay, the next step, let's do a shortcut. So the next step I have data, which is here, coming, loading, and still loading. Okay, take a while. Sometimes it does take long at the time. It's longer. Okay, now I want to put the canvas little area. So you were saying enable the artist area. So this is the area, and I make it bigger, and I want to put this guy here, and I want to put this guy here. And I make sure they're not some, they're not some, right? They are not some. Okay, so what I want to do uh, box plot. Okay, so I say data set. Or let's say so intelligent. Some of them they show you the intelligent, but I can't get the intelligent. But okay, this is tutor, not equal tutor data set. Dollar sign DYL. Let's run it here. There's a run button, run it, and yeah, so there's hours in a simple example, borrowing another video, but I give you more detail when you get the data set, and I'll give you the uh, data set as well in the GitHub.